my name is Inder. I hope you are doing well. Let's continue the previous topic, how you can progress your English through ChatGPT. If you don't know the meaning of any word, the first thing you have to do is you will look for a dictionary or search on an online dictionary. There you will be given the meaning along with one or two examples. But if you ask ChatGPT, you will get the full meaning and elaboration along with examples of that word, in which situation and where to use it. So it will tell you properly. For example, I said to ChatGPT, right now I am boring. What should I do? And you can't believe that it will tell you what you should do. It's interesting. You are learning and having fun too. Interesting thing is, even if you are asking to ChatGPT by writing, not speaking, but you will not feel like this. You will really feel that I am talking to someone and someone talking to me. Even you will ask, please tell me some YouTube channels to learn English. And it will show you some channels name. If you are watching the video till here, simply write wow in the comments. You must be thinking that I am saying ask again and again. Why not write? Because I don't feel as if I am talking on any site. I am literally feeling that I am talking to someone. I would like to add more to this topic. The main problem which I noticed the most in learning English is wrong pronunciation. Because most of the English learners are suffering or facing this problem. Just because you can't speak English properly, you feel hesitation and you are afraid to speak in front of others. So how you can fix this problem? Very simple. You already know how you can fix this problem. And yes, you can fix this problem by reading loudly. You can read a book or a newspaper. No problem अगर आपको कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है. So मैं आपको बता दूं कि आप समझने के लिए रीडिंग नहीं कर रहे हो. You are just doing for improving your pronunciation. The main condition is you read a book or a newspaper for 15 minutes every day. So I can promise with you, after a week you will see the improvement in your pronunciation. Lastly, I would just tell you, it will be possible if you practice consistently. That's all for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Stay motivated in learning English, keep practicing and see you soon.